Hello there, friends. That's what you might call a Teletype March. The concept has been around since the 1960s, at least. I'm sure they've done it earlier than that. It's nothing new. Guys would exchange little songs that they had created, songs, if you will. It's more percussion, but they would do that via paper tape and radio, just showing off the fun things you might do with a machine such as this. I had to test some of these teletype boards. I think I did a video just showing my boys testing this last year. Added this song to the script, added this little sequence to the script, not because it has any value for testing, but for fun. Essentially, it was for fun. I wanted to share it here. So there you go. I have been planning to do another video for quite some time. This is not that video. This is pretty ad hoc here, but watch out for another video with more production value. You might press some buttons. I think one says subscribe. I think the other has a bell on it. If you click both of those, there's a higher chance that YouTube will make you aware, but no promises. You could also obsessively check the channel daily. That would guarantee that you would see the next video. That's about it. Talk to you next time. There you have it.